Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Abhijit, and today in this video I will tell you how to activate a home page in a Salesforce application. So by the term activation, we need to understand that when we activate a home page in any of the application, it will deploy that particular app page in any of the application which we select. In Salesforce, we already have a default home page for our applications, but many of the times we need a modified home page for our applications. So let's move ahead and see the process of activation of a home page in a Salesforce. So first of all, we will log in to our Salesforce account. Right now, I'm in my Salesforce account, and here in the quick find box, search for Lightning App Builder and click on this Lightning App Builder. So we are going to activate this new home page to an application. So here just click on this edit button, and now you can see on the screen that this is the home page which we are going to activate. So for activation, click on this activation button. Now you will see this pop-up window, and here we will click on this app and profile, and after this click on this assign to apps and profiles. And now here you can see the list of applications, and you can select any of them to deploy this home page. I will select the sales application and sales tech app, and now click on next button. And in this window we have to select the profile to whom we want to make this page visible. So you can select according to your requirements and then click on next button, and now finally click on save button. Now we'll go back to the applications and show you the home page deployed or activated over there. So from the app launcher I will show you the applications in which we have activated this home page, and you can see the home page activated in this applications and replaced the default home page of this application. And another application was sales, so we will see in the sales application also. So here is the sales application, and you can see the home page is activated in the sales application also. So this is how we activate a home page in a Salesforce Lightning application. This was all about it. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.